Hey YouTube, if you're planning to go to Gokarna, you have stumbled upon the right video. In this video, I'll be telling you about my experience when I went to Gokarna and briefing you on the resort in which I stayed. Enjoy the video.
Hey guys, Aman here, and this time I'm showing you around Gokarna. So we have just reached our resort and checked in. So this time we are staying in Gokarna International Resort, which is right on the Kudle beach. So yeah, before I show you my room, just look at the beautiful surrounding. Amazing, isn't it? And this is how the villa looks from outside. So there are two offerings here. You can either choose from a standard room or you can choose a cottage. And we have chosen a cottage this time just because one thing, it has AC, which is required in this humid condition. And the second thing, I am accompanied by my wife and I wanted this retreat to be kind of romantic. And yeah, so let me show you the room, how they are. So basically that's your villa room, and now let me show you the bathroom. And fair warning, so depending upon how you like your bathroom, you may like it or you may dislike it. So okay, here it goes. So yeah. And now here comes the surprise. So you can actually take a bath here in this open surrounding. I don't know if that's your thing, but yes, if it is, they have the provisions for it. I think I would record myself taking a bath here with my drone, obviously. We'll see.
I love Kudle Beach. It has got an amazing vibe, and with my drone, I was truly able to appreciate the beauty. I hope you guys are enjoying it.
This time we actually came with train and not by road or by by driving myself, which is the general preferred route. But yeah, let me tell you that coming with train has its own benefits. We took the second AC ticket and it was quite vacant, and we felt kind of safe in this COVID situation. So if that's something that you like, basically if you are like somebody who has car sickness like my wife here, then train would be a good option for you. And yeah, so let me just freshen up and then I'll show you around the resort what other offerings the resort has. There is a very nice swimming pool which definitely you would like to see, and it is actually right situated on the Kudle beach. So we'll be going there in some time to have a tea and breakfast. So yeah, let's see you there. Hey, so the weather just took an unexpected turn and Gokarna just got greener. It's raining, and when it's raining on the beach, it's an amazing view. Let me show you. So they have got this amazing pool. Just check it out. We are definitely going in after I come back from the beach. Like, it is surrounded by palm trees and coconut trees, and it would be an amazing experience. So we are on the beach and check out this amazing view. Right, now I'm going to dive deep in. So we are staying in that resort, Gokarna International Resort on the Kudle beach. Just look at this big wave. Woo! Woo! Now I don't know if the audio is warped because of the GoPro going into the water, but yeah, as you can see, the weather is awesome. We have clouds, we have a little bit of sun, and yeah, we have this view.
Now let me tell you about the tariff of this resort. So for a AC room in a cottage, it will be approximately 4,000 rupees per night for a couple, and if you go for the standard room, then it will cost you around half, which is 2,000 rupees. So you can make your choice. My recommendation, go for the cottage.
So after the ocean, it's time to dip in the swimming pool. And here it goes. Let's go.
There are a lot of reasons why I love this resort, and every time I visit Gokarna I try to stay here. One is the swimming pool. Obviously, as you can see, it is massive. Second, the proximity to the beach. It is right in front of it, you just have to literally walk down. Third, you have a green garden restaurant which is in front of the resort, which serves amazing food.
I have been 5 times to Gokarna earlier, and this is the first time I have seen such kind of weather. Just look at it. Raining in Gokarna, and not in a little way. So it has been raining since last night. And the street, the street of the resort, they are filled with water. It's definitely a unique kind of experience. Ujjwala is loving this weather. Yeah, she actually likes rain. Just look at her.
I could not fly my drone as much as I wanted because of the weather, but I did try it and capture some beautiful videos. So here you go, you can watch them and let me know in the comments if you like it. Gokarna has a lot of beaches, so it's like all the beaches are interconnected with mountains to separate them. So as I told you, my favorite one is Kudle, and I stayed on Kudle beach. You have to do a trekking to reach Om beach, and from there you can do a trekking to reach Half Moon and Paradise beach. So there are a bunch of beaches. So the first and the second day I spent mostly on Kudle beach enjoying time with my family and my wife, and on the third day I went for trekking with Om beach and spent the entire day there. So I'll take you through how was the trekking experience in a couple of minutes. If you are watching this far in the video and still not subscribed to my channel, please do so, because I will post continuously such amazing content, and your subscription plus your likes and comments, they motivate me to keep going on.
So in this weather we have decided to trek to Om beach from Kudle beach. This is my first time experience in trekking in a rainy day. So I'll let you know how it goes. Just have a look. is the international side of the Kudle beach. So there are two ways you can go to the Kudle beach. This side is called the international side and the other one is the hilltop side. So as you can see, there are multiple vehicles parked here. So if you're coming by vehicle and want to stay on the Kudle beach, you have to park them here and then go down the same pathway that we came. एक फोटो में शरीर नहीं चल रहा है. So this is the kind of trail that you have to go in order to go to the home beach. I'm hoping we'll get some arrow marks after some time. Look at this landscape. So Ujwala, how is the trek?
It's a wonderful experience. Amazing.
Okay.
The weather is fantastic. Really?
Those guys, they don't want to come. Oh! Now this is the proof here that we are on the right path. So using such kind of arrow marks, you have to make your way towards the home beach. There is no other way. There is no marked path apart from that. Up until now, I was actually wondering if I was on the right path. But yeah, I imagine we are on now. Just look at this landscape. Till wherever your eyes can see, you will see all these black rocks. I imagine there will be approximately, let's say, 200 meters more. Then we'll be able to see the beach. But yes, this time the trek is actually fun because of the weather. It's raining slightly, but yeah, it's raining. Look at the girl in the forest. Way to the home beach. Do you know? You don't know? He's got to know, right? Huh? Do you know which way to home beach? He's showing now this arrow mark. Good dog. Good dog. Bye. Yes. आ रहा है ना? So we are almost at the home beach. There is just this park accompanying the beach, and then you'll get the stair walls to go down. So yeah, this place is vacant as of now, mostly because of rain, and then again another reason is because of COVID. Yeah. Now these guys are looking for auto, they don't want to go back. Look at these lazy folks. Right, so this way you can actually get autos, and there we have to go down to the beach. Pipe. Now look at that beach.
कसम से ऐसा लग रहा है ना like they are some cult or something. Hey, I love this view. Have a look. Now this, my dear friends, is Om Beach. So behind me is the only cafe that you can actually find on the Om Beach. It's called Namaste Cafe. They also have rooms available if you want to stay on the Om Beach. So like we are staying on the Kudle beach, but as you can see around me, there are a lot of people on the Om Beach as well. Just have a look. Okay, so we are going to climb there for a photo. I actually love Om Beach, and that was the reason I decided to even come here when this rain is happening. But yeah, tell me in the comments guys if you like the Om Beach as much as I do. So this concludes our trip to Gokarna. I really hope that you enjoy my video, and if you have anything that you want to ask to me about Gokarna, feel free to drop me a comment. You can also connect to me on my Instagram handle, which is aman.1193. So feel free to ask me anything related to Gokarna, or feel free to tell me if you like my videos or you want some kind of improvements. And yeah, that's about it in this episode. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to it, and if you can press that like button, I will be really thankful to you. Bye bye.